This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Alexandra Alvarez. Welcome to the popular Hawthrone floor plan by Dining Room Horton, located in the well-maintained community of Silverado Ranch in Zephyrhills. Approaching the home, you'll notice its great curb appeal, featuring stone accents that add a touch of elegance to the exterior and a 3-car garage. This lovely home boasts 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and tile throughout the main living areas. The open concept layout is perfect for everyday living and entertaining, with a spacious great room that flows seamlessly into the kitchen and dining area. The kitchen is a true highlight, featuring stainless steel appliances, gray cabinets, and a gorgeous granite countertop. It offers both style and functionality for meal prep and casual dining. As you approach your covered lanai, picture yourself relaxing and enjoying your peaceful backyard. The covered lanai adds more outdoor living space to unwind or entertain guests. In addition to the home's stunning features, Silverado Ranch offers fantastic amenities, including a community pool where you can cool off and meet your new neighbors. This home is ideally located for easy access to shopping and dining, making it the perfect place to call home. Rent includes internet and cable. Schedule a showing today and make this beautiful home yours. For more information, review the